Flyaway Kids Bed really is a great product for parents flying with kids. So when we set up the product, we just need to make sure that the Flyaway logo is on top of the seat and the leg support falls down onto the floor. So we insert our pump here into valve 1 and then we can pump away. Now it does make a little bit of a hissing sound, but don't worry, when you're on the plane, nobody will be able to hear this because of the sound of the motor. Now you'll know it's fully inflated when you hear some air being released from the pressure release valve, which is on the bottom of the support. Now this is the red and black valve, which you don't need to touch. Okay, and there we go, great. So the next step is to secure the product in place between two seats, or if you're using it at bulkhead seats, you can fully inflate this top compartment here. So we just open up the valve 2 and we add our pump. There we go. And we pump until it's securely in position. Now we can just push it back here in the back of the seat so that it makes a lovely cushion for our kids. And there you have it. That's how you inflate Flyaway Kids Bed. Now what we really love about Flyaway Kids Bed is that it's made from a really strong and durable PVC. So not only is it super comfy to lie on, but it's wipe cleanable. So this is great if there's any accidents during the flight. And it also features these side bumpers. So that means that all of the toys and colouring pencils and things that your child will love to play with during the flight won't end up on the floor. Now deflating the product is just as easy. You just need to open up the two valve 1s on the side and then you poke your finger in to release this little black plastic valve and there we go. It deflates instantaneously.